We have reached the tastiest part of the course, making dishes using all the secrets that we have learned. The techniques gave you a solid foundation in Indian cooking. The patterns showed you the secrets that you can use over and over again. You've already stocked up your kitchen with the essential cookware, or maybe use what you already had. Your fridge and pantry are loaded up with spices and other essential ingredients. So what are we waiting for? Let's cook up some delicious recipes based on these patterns and amaze everyone around us.